Here's the question: how do I copy my Quora account URL? I'm going to show you how to do this in Quora, as well as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. So you can see how to get your profile URL. That's what this person's referring to. So if I go to my Quora account, just go to my name. There it is right there. That is my Quora profile URL. Quora.com/profile/Teddy-2207. And all you got to do to copy it is I just simply click in the address bar and hit Command or Control C, or hit up here, hit Edit Copy, and I've copied that URL. Let me go to a text editor and put it, boom. There's my URL for Quora. I copied it from Quora. Hey, let's go do another one. What about LinkedIn? Here's LinkedIn. What is my LinkedIn profile URL? Go to your profile, and again, the easiest way to do it is click in the address bar and Command or Control C or Edit Copy and copy it. Again, I'll go over to my Evernote, paste it. I can paste it anywhere with either Command or Control V or Edit, Paste, and there it is right there. Let's go do another one. What about Instagram? So in Instagram, how do I get my profile URL? Go to my profile, and there it is right there, Instagram.com/TLBurriss. Highlight it, do Edit Copy or Command or Control C, and I have it, and I go put it anywhere I want to put it. I'll put it in this note just to show you. Let's go do YouTube. What about YouTube? So if I want to get my YouTube URL from one of my channels, go to that channel, and as I'm viewing the channel, by default, it's going to show me the long form URL. But I know for a fact if you've customized your YouTube channel URL, you can click on the word videos right here. And when you click on videos, look, it gives you the customized URL. I can copy that, and then I can go paste that anywhere I want. And furthermore, I can get rid of the word videos on the end. That's my YouTube channel URL. That's the basic steps of copying your Quora, your LinkedIn, your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram profile or account URL. And it pretty much works the same way across most social media platforms. I go to X, let's go to X. In X or Twitter, again, I go to profile. When I'm viewing my profile, there it is right there. And it's converted now to x.com/TLBurriss. Copy it from the address bar is the easiest way to get any of your social media profiles or accounts URLs. Hey, I'm Teddy, Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you. And if it is helpful, hit the like button, comment, ask me any question, and subscribe to the channel.